Hello everyone. If your Maytag dishwasher is not draining, the leftover water inside the tub can lead to odors, poor cleaning performance, and interrupted wash cycles. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to simply shut off the power and remove any of the standing water from the bottom of the dishwasher. You need to take out the lower rack and inspect the filter, sump, and the drain opening for food particles, grease buildups, or small objects that may be restricting the water flow. After doing so, you just have to simply inspect the drain hose under the sink or behind the dishwasher for kinks, clogs, and improper installation. If the dishwasher drains through the garbage disposal, you can also inspect the connection point carefully. After doing so, you just have to run the drain cycle and listen to the drain pump. The humming may indicate a jam, while silence could suggest the electrical or mechanical pump failure. Now, after doing so, you just have to again turn off the dishwasher, and then you just have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes to reset the control board and clear the temporary cycles. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.